Thank you for taking the time to sit down with me today to talk a little bit about the nursing profession. Would you mind stating your name and a little bit about yourself?
My name is Beverly Poston. I'm a pharmacist here in Charleston, South Carolina. I've been in the pharmacy profession for over 20 years and work for Roper St. Francis Carolinians Hospital.
Great, thank you. So I'm just going to ask you a few questions regarding the nursing profession and your experience with it. So my first question is, if you could summarize your image of nursing into one word, what would that word be and why?
If I had to summarize the nursing profession, I would summarize that word as compassion. And the reason being is that nurses should always have the utmost compassion for their patients and their families when taking care of them.
Great. So my second question is, tell me how an interaction with a nurse has made a difference in your life.
I interact with nurses on a daily basis, and we round with nurses and physicians. Nurses impact my life continually on a daily basis with just my daily interactions with them and with helping them take care of their patients.
Do you ever face any obstacles to communication with your nurses?
Probably one of the biggest obstacles in communications is that we all know that nurses are very busy and have a lot of duties to take care of during the day. So just even pulling them out for 5 or 10 minutes out of their day takes them away from patient care. And we try to be very mindful of that when asking questions and talking with the nurses. And we've tried to get around some of those obstacles by doing rounding with physicians and the nurses, so everybody gets all their questions answered at one time.
Great. So my last question is, do you have any recommendations for future nurses?
My recommendation for future nurses is to remember that when you're taking care of patients, that you're not only taking care of your patient, but also the patient's family, and to always remember that they are going to remember you and their experience when they leave their settings, that you're going to be the one person that's going to impact their life the greatest.
All right. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
All right. Thank you.